Helga from Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking. And here's a fun little dessert, snacky item for the holidays. Cranberry candy. This is so simple. It only takes 3 ingredients. So let's get to it. This does take some time, though. It takes about 8 hours for the cranberries to soak. So all it takes is cranberries, orange juice, and powdered sugar. So let's get to it. Like I said, not a lot to it. You want enough orange juice to cover the cranberries, and you're going to let them soak for about 8 hours. And then we get them out, we strain the cranberries out and roll them in the powdered sugar and bake them. So let's get the first part going. They're in my fresh orange juice and cranberry slope, but you can see that they're covered there. So we're going to let them soak for about 8 hours and then we'll finish them up. So the next step, I have my cranberries. I strained them out of the orange juice, and then I put my 2x sugar, really got used to this, in a bag, and I'm going to put the cranberries in and shake them all around and coat them, put them on the parchment paper lined tray, and put in the oven at 250 for about 5 minutes. They're all coated, and we're going to put them on the tray. Make sure you even them out here so it's a single layer. Any that are not quite coated, try and get coated. Okay, in the oven she goes. It's out. I'm gonna take it out of the pan and put it in a bowl, and then you know what comes next. So today I have a guest taste tester for these candied cranberries. Mom is here, decked out in Christmas sweater and all. So Mom, go ahead and try one.
I love cranberries.
It'll be a biased review.
Shut up.
Wonderful.
Not that she's
wonderful.
Not that she's theatrical or anything. I will tell you guys, this is just so simple. It's the cranberries, orange juice, and powdered sugar. And you do them at 250 degrees for 5 to 8 minutes. And it is, well, I can't say that other word on here because it would be considered bad, but it is really addictive candy. Let's put it that way.
And good for you.
Yeah, these are actually really good. Well, the sugar's not good, but the cranberry's good. So, anyhow, they turned out really well. Give it a shot. This is something quick to rip up. You could do it in little candy bags and gift it, take it to parties, but they're really, really good. So give the candied cranberries a shot.